Samsung's upcoming mid-range lineup has effectively been unveiled ahead of schedule, as the Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 are no longer confined to speculation or leaked renders. This time, real-world evidence has surfaced in the form of unboxing videos and retail listings, offering a comprehensive preview of both devices well before any official announcement. These unboxing videos are reportedly originating from Thailand, where the Galaxy A57 5G appears to have already reached store shelves. It's an unusual scenario. Users scrolling through social media platforms like TikTok are encountering full unboxing experiences of a device that Samsung hasn't formally introduced yet. Multiple clips showcase the phone in various color options, providing a clear understanding of its design language, finish, and physical presence. This pattern mirrors a recent incident involving another Samsung device that surfaced early in a different market prior to launch. The recurrence of such leaks suggests that maintaining strict control over pre-release devices is becoming increasingly difficult for the company. The Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 now join that trend, appearing prematurely in different regions. What elevates this situation beyond a typical leak is the involvement of a physical retail outlet. Both smartphones have reportedly been listed by an authorized retailer in Thailand, identified as Cam TV. This development moves the narrative from informal leaks to a full-scale retail exposure. Key details such as pricing, storage configurations, and official accessories are now publicly visible. Focusing on the Galaxy A57 5G, the variant spotted in stores features 12 GB of RAM paired with 5 GB of internal storage. This is a notably high configuration for a mid-range device, indicating Samsung's intent to push its A series closer to flagship territory in terms of hardware. The listed retail price is 29,999 Thai baht, although a promotional offer reportedly reduces it to 17,999 Thai baht. This pricing strategy positions the device as a strong value proposition, particularly for users seeking high performance and substantial storage without entering flagship pricing brackets. In comparison, the Galaxy A37 is positioned slightly lower within the lineup but still offers competitive specifications. The version seen in listings includes 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, which is more than adequate for typical use cases such as multitasking, gaming, and media consumption. The price for this model is approximately 13,999 Thai baht, firmly placing it within the accessible mid-range category. Another noteworthy aspect of this early retail appearance is the availability of official accessories. The retailer has displayed protective covers specifically designed for both devices, with prices ranging from 199 to 6090 Thai baht. This indicates that Samsung is preparing a complete accessory ecosystem alongside the smartphones, enabling users to purchase add-ons immediately at launch. Beyond hardware, software enhancements are also part of the story. The Galaxy A57 5G is expected to introduce a feature called Transcript Assist, an AI-driven tool capable of converting voice recordings and phone conversations into text. This functionality has practical applications across various scenarios. Students can transcribe lectures into written notes, professionals can document meetings efficiently, and content creators or journalists can streamline interviews without relying on third-party solutions. The inclusion of such a feature highlights Samsung's broader strategy of integrating AI capabilities into its mid-range devices. Rather than restricting advanced tools to premium models, the company appears to be democratizing these features across a wider price spectrum. Despite the volume of information already available, Samsung has yet to officially confirm a launch date for either device. However, the presence of these smartphones in retail environments strongly suggests that an announcement is imminent. It is highly unusual for devices to appear in stores with finalized pricing and accessories unless the official release is very close. From a strategic standpoint, these developments provide insight into Samsung's direction for 2026. The company is clearly emphasizing value in the mid-range segment by combining higher specifications, generous storage options, and practical AI features. The Galaxy A57 5G, in particular, could emerge as a highly competitive offering within its category. In terms of design, the unboxing footage indicates a clean and modern aesthetic consistent with Samsung's current design philosophy. The availability of multiple color variants adds an element of personalization, which is likely to appeal to younger consumers. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A37 serves as a balanced alternative for users seeking dependable performance at a more affordable price point. It covers essential features effectively while maintaining a solid hardware foundation. At this stage, the only missing piece is official confirmation from Samsung. Once announced, both devices are likely to gain significant traction, especially in markets where mid-range smartphones dominate. The combination of early leaks, hands-on videos, and retail listings has already generated considerable anticipation. The final impact will depend on how Samsung positions these models globally and whether the competitive pricing seen in Thailand is maintained in other regions.